Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣. In this channel I do lifestyle and motherhood and everything in between. So today is a very special day. Let me take this opportunity to welcome our new subscribers to this channel. Thanks for making me reach 1K. I'm very grateful. Today is a very celebratory sort of a mood. It's actually on Saturday and I'm going to upload this video by 12 because I wanted to let it be up to Monday, but I was like, let me just shoot a very short video so that I can be okay. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thanks to my premium gang. I really appreciate you have made the 1,000 subscribers possible. So it's the same day I just lost the clip that I had recorded, but I won't record a bigger one. I just want to thank each and everyone. So this is Dettol. This is my freestyle. I only use it on face. Na Dettol inawashanga. Okay, sabuni ya Dettol huwasha macho. I just want to wet my face, but I can't wet it without kuosha kiasi. It's in the morning on Saturday, guys. So guys, I don't know. I miss going out. I miss going to the mall. It has been a while. I miss going to, guys, I'm just telling you, for real. I miss going to the mall. I miss visiting Java. I miss going to Java for that very nice salad that I always take there. I can't wait for my baby to be a little bit big so that we can be going for mom-daughter dates. It will just be everything. Don't know. I'm so looking forward to it. I don't know how people manage to stay at home for 3 months. So my face is wet. I will just put this mask on. Then you're supposed to stay with your mask for not so long, for like at most 5 minutes, but me, I don't mind staying with it more. Nataka ni mask my face. I do cleaning of the fridge and I reorganize with you guys. Then afterwards nitakuja nioshe uso. Yeah. Me guys, I always wet my face. What do you do when you are masking your face? It's very important for someone to take care of their face. Yes, because tunazeeka. Like I feel so old these days. Since I became a mom, the world has a new meaning. The life perspective ya vitu. What has changed is that I'm very intentional with whatever I do. And the thing that I'm most intentional with is content creation. Mimi, hata watu ushanga, why I put so much effort in creating content na sleepy. Those people who are close to me. But today I tell them very loudly that I am not being paid. Am I doing it for money? Don't know. But see, for money, because I don't know when I will ever get monetized, and this is my third year. It's just very good being on YouTube. It just gives you a new meaning. You wake up, if you are jobless like me, have something that is keeping you on toes. Like you feel like responsible. Come on now, guys. It is on Saturday, and I wanted to let this day slide, but I feel so strongly that I should put some content up, even though it is not very many minutes. And another thing that has been helping me to stay put, to continual uploading, is the fact that I don't strain. I'm not trying to bring A-class sort of content. Yes, nataka content surfing, but I don't strain to get content. I really don't strain. I bring content that is real. I am not trying to be a perfectionist. The rawness of everything that I bring is what makes it easier for me to keep shooting. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and watch this video till then, because I'm really trying to hit the 4K watch hours. Yeah. Oh, you will enjoy me being real, because guys, me sijui kufika. I don't know. But I'm very thankful. I don't know why my lips of late, my lips were dark, but of late a friend was here, the one mwenye alinifinya. She noted that my lips have been turning pink. Okay, zi huwa pink, but zinakuanga pink na ziko na some black. But I don't know. Might it be a problem, guys? What do you think? Now my lips are pink, especially ya chini. It's pink. I was thinking I go to the hospital when I'm taking my baby for 6 weeks, because she's going on Monday. Actually, tomorrow is the day she is turning 6 weeks, but it's on Sunday. So we decided that we will go on Monday. I go to the hospital, I ask if it's okay for your lips to turn pink from nowhere. No, mi sijakunywa dawa ya kuturn pink lips pink. So right now I'm going to clean and organize the fridge because it's very dirty. See you. So this is how the freezer is. Ni chafu. Angalia, that is black beans and a little meat. And there is a chicken and some sausages and smokies. Actually, my fridge is almost empty. Everything is everywhere, and I want to wash it, clean it, so that matunda ziko hapo, so that I can restock. This maji iko na lemon and some vinegar. Will be using it to clean everything up. So guys, I started by switching off the fridge. Then I took my initiative to remove everything from the fridge so that I can be able to embark on cleaning. After everything was away and down, I just started cleaning using the towel that I earned and the vinegar and lemon water. I made sure that I have cleaned every corner of this fridge, because I haven't cleaned it for some days and it was dirty. Things come in and out of this fridge so fast. Like most of the time I literally eat off fridge, so that's why it gets dirty, it gets messy very fast than usual, because it is my like storage. So I'll just clean it and put everything right back so that I can restock. Actually, I need to buy especially things for the freezer, and I'll do that with you guys.
Don't play with my heart, just let me go. Please let me go. You like to love so hard and then you throw it away. You like to open skies and then you blame it on me. You're someone I could never be with. You joke about my flaws and weaknesses. Why'd you love so hard and then just throw it away? You opened up my heart and just to close it on me. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. So don't you blame it on me. You never knew how bad it was. Guess you never really cared because you said your parents never gave you hugs, and as a child you were never loved. You made me love so hard, but then you threw it away. You like to open skies and then you blame it on me. You're someone I could never be with. You joke about my flaws and weaknesses. Why'd you love so hard and then just throw it away? You opened up my heart and just to close it on me. Don't blame it on me. Don't you blame it on me.
I have to get out of this mask and go attend to my baby. She's up.
Why'd you love so hard and then just throw it away? You opened up my heart and just to close it on me. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. So don't you blame it on me.
The mask. And Ella is up. She's not happy that she hasn't been attended to. So I just wipe my face. This is my towel, yeah, also. It's easy to maintain when you have specifically a towel to wipe your face. I have the other one, big one for the body, and this is for my face. I will go in with this cream. It's a vitamin C cream, kidogo, and then I go attend to the baby. Later on, I will organize the fridge. Yeah. I feel much better. Just put everything back. I changed the dirt that I was in because ilikuwa imepata some water. It was cold because I used it to clean, and I needed to be with to shika the baby. So let me just put everything in, then we end the vlog. So guys, I've decided that I will be putting my cereals up a juu, top here, and then my other things like meat and stuff, I will be putting them there here down so that I can be able to track the supply that is remaining. So as you can see, this section for meat is almost empty. Very little. I don't know what is this. I think it's chicken. These are smoky. No, these are smoky and sausages in this small tin. So I'll just put everything else back here down. So even the yogurts, they're just almost, the supply is almost over. Tumemaliza, but no problem. I will just restock. I love 𝙤𝙤𝙧 so much, so much. I think 𝙤𝙤𝙧 is the only drink right now that I enjoy most of the time. So I will just need to restock that also because I have very little left. But nitoshei hapa. So I have a few fruits here, 𝙤𝙤𝙧, two mangoes, a few oranges. Today I am not able to eat the other green orange. Apart from these oranges, seedless oranges, siezani na hizo oranges zingine I've tried and they are not my thing. I also keep my avocados in the fridge and my tomatoes, guys. I'm not those who don't put their things, their fruits in the fridge because I don't eat them very often. So if I put them on the, okay, I eat them often, but I eat them most of the time alone. So if I don't preserve them that way, zitaharibika haraka, they will just rot. So instead of wasting, just prefer putting them in the fridge. See, as you can see, guys, the fridge is extremely empty. Hakuna kitu. My fridge is empty. I've switched the fridge on and that is it. So I can see I need to restock some 1, 2, 3 things and I will do that. So that is it for the fridge. It's clean at least. Yeah. Thanks so much, guys, for watching this video to this end. I love you. Share, like, and subscribe.